Using PayPal for art commissions is a convenient and secure way to receive payments from clients. To get started, you need to have a PayPal account. If you don't have one, create a personal or business account on the PayPal website. Once you have an account, navigate to the Payments section and click on the Send and Request tab. Then select Request Payments. Here you can create an invoice or request a payment from a client. You can enter the client's email address, the amount you are requesting, and a description of the art commission. It is essential to include a clear description of the art commission, including the type of artwork, the size, and any other relevant details. This will help prevent any misunderstandings and ensure that the client knows exactly what they are paying for. When requesting a payment, you can also specify the currency and the payment method. PayPal allows you to accept payments in multiple currencies, which is convenient if you have international clients. You can also choose to request a fixed price or an hourly rate, depending on the terms of the art commission. To make the payment process smoother, it is a good idea to discuss the payment terms with your client beforehand. This includes the payment schedule, the amount, and the currency. You should also have a clear refund policy in place, in case the client is not satisfied with the artwork. Once the client has made the payment, you will receive a notification from PayPal. You can then use the funds to fulfill the art commission. It is essential to keep track of your payments and invoices, as this will help you stay organized and ensure that you get paid for your work. PayPal also offers a feature called PayPal Invoices, which allows you to create professional-looking invoices and track payments. This feature is especially useful for art commissions, as it allows you to create customized invoices that include your artwork and branding. In addition to using PayPal for receiving payments, you can also use it to send payments to other artists or suppliers. This can be useful if you need to collaborate with other artists or purchase art supplies. Overall, using PayPal for art commissions is a convenient and secure way to receive payments from clients. By following these steps and using the features provided by PayPal, you can streamline your payment process and focus on creating great artwork.